In this video, you will know 10 proven hacks to learn anything faster. So without wasting the time, let's begin. Learning anything quickly requires a structured approach and effective strategies. First, set clear goals. Define what you want to learn and why. Break it into smaller, manageable chunks. Second, focus on the fundamentals. Identify the core principles or essential knowledge first. Avoid getting distracted by less critical details. Third, use active learning techniques. Teach back. Explain what you have learned to someone else. Practice. Apply the knowledge in real time, scenarios or exercises. Ask questions. Challenge your understanding by exploring why and how. Fourth, leverage the Pareto principles. 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of material that provides 80% of the results. Fifth point, engage multiple senses. Combine reading, listening, writing and doing. Watch videos, take notes and practice hands-on. Sixth, use spaced repetition. Review materials at increasing intervals to reinforce memory. Tools like Anki and Quizlet can help. 7th, eliminate distractions. Create a focused environment. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method. Means 25 minutes focused work, 5 minutes break. 8th, find patterns and analogies. Relate new knowledge to something you already know. Look for patterns to simplify complex concepts. 9th, stay curious and motivated. Link the learning to a goal or reward. Approach learning with a growth mindset, believing you can improve. Believe yourself. 10th, seek feedback. Get input from experts, peers, or mentors. Use mistakes as a tool for improvement. Thanks for watching the video. If this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to get more knowledgeable videos.